Pakita mo. Tinamaan to. Nalaglag ko.
Essence left behind.
So pag naka 69 bits ka,
There's mirrors and open door. I can barely stand and see myself. I don't know what to do anymore.
marami ka lang talagang kailangan aralin talaga. Daming...
Totoo ako dito eh.
Kung nga ano, sabihin natin yung ikaw lang. Di ba walang marunong pwede kong gawin. Tanggalin ko yung violin tapos i-arrange ko sa software. Tapos i-launch ko sa isipin mo para pagpapasok na
Second verse. Start over again, start over again. This time, let's keep the fires burning, burning, yeah. This time, let's do it right, sweet child. Start over again, come on. This time, let's keep fires burning, burning, yeah. You say I only hear what I want to. No, no. You say I talk so all the time. Talk so all the time. Yeah.
Ito talaga ako natutuwa eh. Singin na. Kaya yan?